Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here, and today I want to tell you 3 things that you probably wish you knew about Gmail labels. No, they are not folders, they are labels in your Gmail account for you to be able to use a little bit quicker, easier, and faster. So first off, if we look to the left of my screen, I got a couple of labels created. When you create them, they create as a carbon gray type of color. Kind of boring if you ask me. Did you know that you can color code these things? So if you hover over the label, you click the 3 dots. At the top of the menu, you'll see an option to color code with a stock color, or you can add a custom color. This will allow you to pick what you want as your background color. Let's do a groovy purple. Your text color, we'll do white. Click apply, and now we see that label has color to it. The second thing that you want to know is that you do not use labels like folders. Don't take the email and drag and drop it into a label or folder as you normally would. What you're going to want to do is you're going to drag and drop those labels onto the email. So for example, I've got my Tivis project one here. We're going to click, drag, drop, and now the label goes onto the email. So you can actually see it like a sticky note. So from here on out, think of your labels like sticky notes. The third thing that you probably want to know is, okay, my left side of my screen, I have 100 labels and some of them just aren't any good anymore. Not that I want to delete them, but I just don't need to use them on a regular basis. So get them out of your way. Here's what you do. Go to the left of your screen, click the 3 dots to the right of the specific label that is now defunct, old, stale, whatever. When you click on those 3 dots in the menu, you will see an option of in the label list to hide. When you click on hide, it will disappear from your list. You now see a more option underneath, anything that's active, and click, and you will see anything that you've chosen to hide. Still keeps all your emails, still keeps all the labels on those emails, and FYI, you can also put as many labels onto an email as you want to find it in multiple ways without creating multiple copies. So with that, everyone, thanks for hanging with me. That is 3 things that you probably wish you knew about Gmail labels that you can use today. And until we meet again, this is Gary the Google Guy, checking out.